Hello everybody and welcome to the shop. If you're watching this video, it's because it's time to get to work in the shop. So we're going to talk first about cleanup. We've got a lot of space here. We've got a lot of benches, a lot of tools, and a lot of things going on. At the end of every class, you are expected to help clean. And this is important. Everyone cleans everything until everything's done. How do you know when it's done? I will let you know that everything is done, okay? So let's talk about what happens first, okay? At the end of class, I'll give you an extra time and I will say clean up. I'll holler, I'll whistle, I'll do whatever it is I need to do to get your attention. You'll know that it's time to clean up. The first thing you do when I say clean up is stop. You're done working. We don't hurry and finish another thing of glue. We don't need to go get more supplies. We're done. We stop. Immediately. Stop. And the next thing we're going to do after we've stopped working, we're going to take care of our stuff. We have our project. We have maybe our notebooks. Anything that belongs to you needs to be put away. Eventually, it's going to end up in your cubby, which is way over there in the classroom. I've discovered that if I let you go put your stuff away in your cubby, you don't come back. That's what these tables are for. I have these two white tables, and the first thing you're going to do after you stop working is you're going to pick up your project. You're going to pick up your notebook, your laptop, all of your stuff, and you're going to set it on one of these tables. Quickly. Get your stuff cleared off your table. You are the only one allowed to touch your stuff, so you are the only one allowed to move your stuff to the table. The next thing we're going to do is finish cleaning off these tables. Anyone can do that. But if you leave your notebook on the table, it's going to stay there and I'm going to pick it up and you're going to have to come find it. Please get your stuff moved as quickly as possible over those tables. Now, after that stuff's moved, we should have maybe tools, maybe hot glue guns, scraps, sawdust, metal pieces, depending on what class you're taking, is all going to be on these tables. Everyone can help clean that up. At the same time this is happening, we are also gathering stools and putting them back in the stool closet. Everyone is helping. Everyone is cleaning everything. You don't get to stand around and you don't get to watch other people work. We do not start sweeping the floors yet. Over here in this corner, you can see we've got a bunch of brooms. We have hand brooms, we have dustpans, we've got floor mops, dust mops. We've got a bunch of stuff, okay? We can grab the hand brooms and start sweeping the tables. That's fine. We can sweep the tables off. We're just gonna sweep everything right onto the floor. Tools are gonna get put away over in the tool cabinets, way back in here, depending on your class. Scissors, rulers, safety glasses, all are going to go in here. We've got rulers in the drawers, glue sticks down here, hot glue guns in there. We're going to make that look good. Okay, again, still not touching the big brooms. Still working on tabletops and stools. After everything is done, the last thing we're going to do, now we can get the big brooms and the dustpans and the hand brooms, and we are going to sweep the entire floor. All the way around, next to the edges of the benches. We're going to be everywhere, sweeping everything, and especially back in this corner. We always end up with a big pile of dust underneath where we hang everything up. Still not done. You don't get to leave the shop and go put your stuff away until I have checked and made sure that everything's good. Once I say it's good, we don't forget our stuff on these tables. Grab your stuff, take it into the classroom, put it in your cubby, and clean up your computer and desk area. Thanks for watching.